In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to only see free graphics in Canva. If you've ever been working on a flyer, presentation, or portfolio in Canva and felt slowed down by premium graphics showing up in your search results, this walkthrough will help make the process much smoother. The goal here is to filter your results so you can focus only on graphics that are free to use, which saves time and helps you avoid surprise charges later when you're ready to download your design. Start by opening Canva and loading the design you want to work on. From your homepage, go into your recent projects and open the presentation, flyer, web page, or other design file you want to edit. Once your project is open on the canvas, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Elements. This is where Canva keeps its library of graphics, icons, shapes, illustrations, and other visual assets. When the Elements panel opens, move to the search bar at the top of that panel. Click into it and type the kind of graphic you're looking for, something like minimalist leaf, geometric shape, or business icon. At this point, don't just rely on the basic results list. Instead, stay focused on the search field because the next setting is what really makes the difference. On the right side of that same search box, you'll see a filter icon that usually looks like slider controls. Click that once to open Canva's advanced search options. This menu lets you refine what appears in your results, and it's the key to cutting out paid assets. Inside the filter menu, scroll down until you find the price section. In that area, select free. After that, click Apply Filters. As soon as you do this, Canva updates the search results so that you're seeing only free graphics related to your keyword. This is the easiest way to avoid clicking on premium elements by mistake. Now browse the filtered results and click the graphic you want to use. It will drop directly onto your canvas. From there, drag it into position and use Canva's alignment guides to help snap it neatly into place. Those guides are useful for keeping your layout clean and balanced, especially if you're designing something professional. Before exporting, take a moment to check your overall alignment and spacing so everything looks polished. Then go to the top right corner, click Share, and choose Download. Select PNG if your design is mainly for digital use, or PDF print if you're preparing something for printing. Finally, click Download to save your finished file. And that's it. You now know how to only see free graphics in Canva, making your design process faster, cleaner, and much more budget-friendly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next